Hi, you can download the Expert Advisor that is built in this video and use it for your own AI code base by just clicking on the link below.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the Gator Oscillator to detect trend changes and manage positions with trailing stops. The strategy will open buy positions when the Gator jaws are diverging upward and sell positions when they are diverging downward, while using fractal-based trailing stops to protect profits. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. This opens the Metaeditor window where we can create our new expert advisor. First, we need to include the CTrade class from the standard library. This provides simplified trading methods like PositionOpen and PositionModify. We include the Trade.mqh file, which contains all the necessary trading functions. The CTrade class is part of the standard library and provides an easy way to handle trading operations without having to manually create trade requests. Next, we instantiate a CTrade object called Trade. This object will manage all our trade operations, including position management, throughout the expert advisor's lifecycle. The trade object is initialized with default parameters and will handle all the complexity of sending orders to the broker. Now we define our strategy configuration parameters. These are all adjustable in the EA Properties window. We set loopback bars to 50, which determines how many historical candles we use for finding highs and lows. This parameter controls the range of candles we analyze when looking for significant price levels. Min candles back is set to 5, establishing the minimum age for a valid high or low point. This ensures we don't use very recent highs or lows that might still be forming. Trailing offset is 10.0 points, creating a safety margin for our trailing stop. This offset adds extra space between the stop loss and the fractal level to avoid premature stop outs. For the Gator Oscillator parameters, we configure jaw period to 13 for the blue line, teeth period to 8 for the red line, and lips period to 5 for the green line. These periods determine the sensitivity of each component of the Gator Oscillator. The shifts are set to 8, 5, and 3 respectively for jaw, teeth, and lips. These shifts move the lines forward or backward in time to create the characteristic Gator appearance. We declare our global variables and handles. Gator handle stores the iGator indicator handle. This handle is used to reference the Gator Oscillator indicator throughout the expert advisor. Upper fractals and lower fractals arrays store fractal values, though these are not actively used in the current implementation. Price data is an array of MQL rates type for storing OHLC price data. MQL rates is a structure that contains open, high, low, close, volume, and time information for each candle. The onInit function executes once when the EA starts. Here we create the iGator indicator handle using the parameters we defined earlier. We use iGator function with underscore symbol for the current symbol and period underscore H1 for the hourly time frame. The parameters include jaw period, jaw shift, teeth period, teeth shift, lips period, lips shift, mode underscore SMMA, which specifies smooth moving average, and price underscore median, which uses median prices. We configure our arrays as time series using ArraySet as series for proper indexing. This ensures that the most recent data is at index 0. For position opening, we create two functions. Open by position gets the current ask price using symbol info double with symbol underscore ask parameter. Symbol info double retrieves various symbol properties, and symbol underscore ask gives us the current ask price for buying. It then executes a buy order using Trade. Position open with order underscore type underscore buy for a long position. The volume is 0.10 standard lots, which equals 10 micro lots. Entry price is the current ask, and both stop loss and take profit are disabled by setting them to 0. The position comment is iGator position. Open sell position works similarly but gets the bid price using symbol underscore bid. Symbol info double with symbol underscore bid gives us the current bid price for selling. It executes a sell order with order underscore type underscore sell for a short position using 0.10 lots, 10 micro lots, at the current bid price with no stop loss or take profit. The onTick function runs on every tick and contains our core strategy logic. First, we retrieve historical price data using copy rates, getting loopback bars number of candles. Copy rates fills our price data array with OHLC information for the specified number of bars. We then load Gator Oscillator values into arrays, Gator up for upper histogram values and Gator down for lower histogram values using copy buffer. Copy buffer retrieves indicator values from the specified buffer of our indicator handle. We check position status by scanning through all open positions. We loop backwards through positions for safe iteration. For each position, we get the ticket number using PositionGetTicket and check if it belongs to our symbol. We set has open position to true when we find one and store the position type in current position type. For trend detection, we check if the Gator upper histogram is increasing and lower histogram is decreasing, indicating diverging jaws. When this buy condition is met and we have no open position, we call open buy position. If we already have a buy position, we find the lowest low in the lookback period using iLowest. This function returns the index of the lowest low within the specified range. We check if this low is within min candles back and if current close is above it. If so, we calculate a new stop level by adding trailing offset points to the low and call process trailing stop. For sell conditions, we check if upper histogram is decreasing and lower histogram is increasing. When met with no open position, we call open sell position. With existing sell position, we find the highest high using iHighest, check its age and position relative to current close, then calculate new stop level by subtracting trailing offset points from the high. Process trailing stop manages trailing stops for both position types. It iterates through all positions in reverse order. For each position matching our symbol and type, it gets the current stop loss using PositionGetDouble with position_SL. For buy positions, it updates the stop if new level is higher than current or if no stop exists. For sell positions, it updates if new level is lower or no stop exists. The PositionModify function applies the new stop loss level to the specified position ticket. After completing the code, we press F7 to compile. If this was too fast or you don't understand all the code, you might want to check out the premium course on our website or watch basic videos first. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. We pick our newly created Expert Advisor, enable visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the Expert Advisor running on the chart. If you're already a premium course member and have ideas for videos like this, you can send us an email. In this video, we learned how to create an Expert Advisor that uses the Gator Oscillator for trend detection and fractal-based trailing stops. You have now coded an Expert Advisor yourself with just a few lines of MQL code that can automatically detect trends and manage positions with dynamic stop losses. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.